Okay, I think we are live. Hi everyone, this is Aditya Sharma, and with me I have Sai Kumar and Dr. Amit Lal. Hi Sai, how are you doing?
I'm good, Aditya. How are you? How is your weekend going?
Weekend is good start of the weekend. No
Yeah.
complaints, can't complain. Yeah. How about you?
So far, so good. Yeah. I mean, this is one more day to enjoy.
Okay, enjoy. Right? Sunday evening feels really sad, right? But Saturday is good.
Yeah. Monday comes up.
Monday comes
Monday morning, I feel like lost. Most of the time, Monday morning, I feel like lost. I don't know. I feel like there are so much things to do, which is pending right now. From where I should start.
yeah.
That's every Monday scenario.
Okay, there are people 60 70 people already live on LinkedIn. Hi everyone. Please let us know in the chat box if you can hear us loud and clear. If you can see us fine, that would be very helpful. And let's take a few more minutes and allow everyone else to join, and then we will get started. Okay. So, and let me also double check on YouTube.
But I guess the recent layoff data which came, employment data, I was seeing it. March has the lowest in the last 1.5 years.
Employment or the unemployment?
The layoff numbers which were coming like
Mhm.
from last 1.5 years, from last January to this March was the lowest, of
Mhm.
which
Oh, okay.
the minimum people got laid off in this particular month, and the number is like
That's good to
considerably very
hear.
down.
Yeah, I saw a lot of posts about their like people starting their new positions also. I hope it continues.
Yeah.
Or maybe a lot of people already lost their jobs. There are no more people to get laid off.
That can be another case too, possibility.
Okay.
So,
Saurav says how we can get the data set. Saurav, we have not
Oh.
started yet also. Saurav has went to the platform, I guess.
Saurav is super excited.
Uh,
This is
He's
great.
ahead of everyone.
yeah. Okay, so guys, where from which location you guys are joining in today? So if you can let us know in the comment section. My name is Dr. Amit. I'm joining in from Toronto in Canada. What about you, Sai?
I'm joining from Columbia, South Carolina.
And I am in Miami, Florida. Added my location. Anyone who's
So
planning to
how far is Aditya from Sai? Like, is it too
Like
far?
8 hours drive, I think so.
8 hours.
Eight hours drive. And like temperature is like in Colombia?
It's good right now. It's like 24 degrees
Oh,
Celsius. So it's
24 is
getting
like
better.
24 is luxury. 24 is
Yeah.
luxury in Canada. mine is 1 degree.
Wow.
So we are happy that at least we are in positive today.
Positive.
Okay, Simran says joining in from Boston, Chicago,
Ireland.
Ireland, Buffalo, New York, Kitchener, Hyron. Okay,
People from Ireland, Kenya, United States, Canada. It's nice.
And guys, I can see like so. For example, Rohit, you're from Buffalo. Are you at University of Sunny Buffalo? If you can also let us know which, if you
yes.
are in school right now, and which university you are at. If you can let us know your university name, right? And I'll tell you that we are now starting. We have started to partner with universities.
Oh,
I won't reveal the first name now, but it is one of the biggest US university, most enrolled US university that we have started conversation and will announce very soon that we will be conducting our projects in the universities on our platform. We'll be upskilling people right there, and we will be inviting employers there as well. That is also our plan.
lucky
So
students.
yeah, so very excited to expand it to many more universities. Okay, so let's see where people are studying right now.
UTD, CMU. That's nice.
CMU, UTD. Okay, there's a big Indian crowd in UTD, I guess. Not so nice, Charlotte. Okay,
Oh, UNCC. Okay.
ex University of Buffalo, National College of
Yes.
Ireland, Dublin. Okay, Arizona State University. Amit sir, do you sound? Do you? Okay,
Uh,
Sunny Buffalo. Mercer
Oh, we have
University.
many people from UNCC and Sunny Buffalo.
Uh-huh. Bala is from Indian Illinois Institute of Technology. When I came to Chicago, I met a lot of people, and when I asked them, "Oh, where are you studying?" They said IIT. I was like, "Oh, there's an IIT."
IIT in United States.
I also thought the same thing. I also Somebody told me in a meeting that he is studying in IIT. So I thought that IIT also had a branch in US.
IIT Chicago.
IIT.
University of Padova, Italy. Oh, welcome. Somebody
Okay.
from Italy, I guess for the first time I'm seeing him.
Nice. Welcome, Abhishek. Well, I think we have first time someone from Italy. Okay, cool. So, guys, every one of you who are studying at different universities, so we launched this our projects platform to help everyone upskill through real world projects to make them more industry compliant. I think we started it 4 to 5 months ago, and this journey started with just like 5 to 10 live candidates, and today we can see we have almost 300 candidates live combined on LinkedIn and YouTube. More than 1,000 people signed up for it. There's a clear need of it. Every time we are getting more and more candidates, people are learning from it. So we thought that why don't we take it to universities, because universities curriculum is mostly outdated. They do not have the most updated projects in their curriculum because of professors office hours and availability of ta, or it becomes very difficult for a student to get that one-on-one personalized attention. That's where we reached out to a university in the US, and they looked at our platform, absolutely loved it, and we are now in the process to integrate our platform on in their curriculum, right? So we'll be announcing which universities that we will be at that university for the entire week. But we can see that a lot more universities can use it, and best part for student is it will be free for them, right?
Yes.
So every one of you, we just need one help from your end. If you can introduce us to professors at your universities, right? We do not want to meet your career center head, but we really want to meet your computer science, data science professor, whoever is teaching you data science, data analysis,
And
data mining, right? We want to meet those professors so that we can understand what challenges they are currently facing. Because when we partnered with this university, actually the one of the existing professors told reached out to us and said, hey, I'm facing this issue, these are the issues that uh, while teaching my students, can we use your platform and probably upskill our candidates better, right? So that's where we want to talk to a lot more professors, understand their needs, and see if it is a fit for them, right? So I'm sharing a Google form with all of you. If you're interested in just introducing your university, that would be great. And in turn, we are more than happy to help you with your resume review, LinkedIn, to understand your job search challenges, right? And help in any way we can. So it's like a small giveaway from our side, but a small introduction, just a quick email introduction would be great, right? If you're interested in helping us, in helping your university, your professors, here is the Google form link that I've just posted in the chat box. Please fill out this Google form and we'll reach out to you. We'll schedule a quick call with you. Okay. Here is the Google form. Okay. Please fill out and we will reach out to you. Okay. Uh, I think, okay, so we have almost 360 people live today. I think we are good to get started. Amit sir, or let's give 1 minute to for everyone who want to fill up the form. In the meantime, okay, Amit, sir, you want to cover anything until people fill out any form?
No, I guess this is good. And I guess earlier we were trying to meet some career center. We met also few people, but I guess the right mindset, like the people who have the right mindset who want to help the students, those kind of professors will definitely will look into it, because the professor which we met also, like is very progressive, very understanding, and she was already understanding the challenges which students are facing right now, and even which teachers are facing right now, that
Yep.
because we have so many AI tools now available, it is very difficult to maintain academic integrity. That
Yeah.
is the biggest challenge right now. for most of
Exactly.
the universities.
Every day we see hundreds of tools getting released. By the
Hundreds of
time you
tools.
learn
I
one,
guess the 90% reels or YouTube shorts I'm seeing right now is
automated.
day 2 of AI tools, day 5 of AI tools, day 10 of AI. Uh, so I guess and this could be like really at times it becomes makes things convenient, but at the same time it's scary also for certain, specifically like academic institutions. Okay, so we are good, I guess. So we can start already seeing a lot of people live on YouTube as well.
Okay. So, guys, thank you so much, everyone, for joining us in this real world live project. Those who are joining us for the very first time, let me give a quick introduction of what we do. So, a few months ago, we realized that a lot of entry level candidates, people who want to progress in their career to the next level, or people who are transitioning in their career, say someone who's a quality analyst or a tester and he or she wants to become a data scientist or a data analyst or a software developer, right? In their career transition, the biggest challenge that these people have is lack of hands-on work experience, lack of industry experience, right? And our employers need job-ready talent. They need someone who can come, join in, and deliver in the first few weeks. And that's where, as I explained earlier, we see a very, very big gap in online courses in universities that they do not have the updated curriculum, and especially in terms of projects, they're far behind, right? So 4 or 5 months ago, we started with just one project that we gathered from industry, and we solved this project live with you in a time duration of 1 week. In this 1 week, our team will be there to help you out. Sai will be there to mentor you occasionally as well. And at the end of 1 week, you will be able to complete one project. You'll be able to add this project on your resume, your LinkedIn profile. You'll be able to talk about this project during your interviews. And we'll try to help you in best possible manner, not by giving you direct answers. That is not the objective, but by giving you the right hints. Wherever you get stuck, you let us know. And our team will be there. There are three other team members that you will see answering your queries. But the most important thing is that during this entire project, whenever you need our help, you need to reach out to us on our Discord channel over here. The QR code is over here, and I'll also add the Discord channel link here in the chat box for everyone. Just give me 1 minute. It is very important, guys, to join the Discord channel because we are going to take all questions on this Discord channel, right? Having questions on 5 different platforms, it makes things difficult for everyone. So the Discord channel is a great opportunity for you to sync up with us, ask any questions. Okay, so please take a moment. If you have not joined this Discord channel, please join it. We'll take all the questions on this Discord channel right over here. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I think it's right. So that's a little bit about the project. Let's get started with a brief introduction. You need to know who we are, right? What High Counselor is, and then we'll jump into this project details. We'll give you a quick project overview, how you need to get started, and what are the other rules and the timelines. Okay. So to get started, I'll quickly share my screen. Da-da-da. Okay, are you guys able to see my screen now?
Yes, I can see
Yes.
that.
In screen. I can see it. Okay, so guys, so today's project name is Netflix Originals Analysis, exploring cinematic trends with Python and SQL. Okay, and first I want to welcome our today's guest, Sai Kumar. Sai has been with us 2 times in the past, so Sai, welcome again, and would love to know about your journey from where you started, where you're right now, and what you're passionate
Yep.
about.
Yeah, thank you. And then to start with my journey, I have my bachelor's degree in electrical back in India from Amrita School of Engineering. And then right after my bachelor's, I moved to United States to pursue my master's in data science at UConn. And right after my master's, which was I graduated in May 2023, and then I started working as a lead data analyst at Blue Cross Blue Shield of South Carolina. During my masters, I also worked as a data scientist at Lego for a few months, and then I did participate in a lot of competitions and hackathons. I used all this unpaid internship and then the projects that have worked on the competitions that have participated, the hackathons, to market myself and sell myself to land this job. And then from the day I started working, I started helping out people in transitioning into data or with job search. During my journey, I met Aditya, and then like I have been with them from past 4 to 5 months, and then this is my third event with them. And then yeah, there have been like more than 10,000 people who have joined these events and then participated. Like, thank you for all the love.
Absolutely. And guys, Sai is, I'm sure a lot of you are already following Sai, but if you're not, please follow Sai on LinkedIn. He shares amazing content related to data science, how you can kickstart your career, how you can progress in your career. So I'll also share Sai's LinkedIn profile shortly. Okay, once I stop sharing my screen, I'll share my profile as well. I'll share Sai's profile as well. Okay, Amit, sir, would you like to go next?
Yeah. So I'm audible, right?
Yep.
Okay. Hi everyone. So this is Dr. Amit. I'm head of business operations at High Counselor. So I did my bachelor's into computer science, and after this, I did my MBA program in marketing and human resources. I did my PhD program in marketing research from an IIT Jalandhar, where me and Aditya met for the first time. I'm the alumni of Research Summer School at IMA, and after that, I worked with companies like Wipro, Reliance, ICICI Bank. I worked for more than 10 years into teaching, by teaching undergraduate and postgraduate students. And I have a YouTube channel also with my same name, Dr. Amit Lal. You can search over there. I have more than 100K following over there. What about you, Adit?
Okay. So I come from the same college where Dr. Amit completed his PhD. I did my BTech from NIT Jalandhar back in 2012 in India. Came to US in 2015. I see a lot of people with a very similar background. So came for my master's degree at Duke University. It's in Durham, North Carolina. Graduated from Duke in end of 2015 and started my career at PwC in Chicago as a tech consultant in Salesforce division. Worked there for a year. Chicago was super cold in weather, so moved to Deloitte Consulting in San Francisco. Worked at Deloitte for about 3 years, and during my time at Deloitte, I was also part of the recruitment team. Visited a lot of universities, interviewed a lot of candidates for software, data, Salesforce related positions. And then in 2020, I took a leap of faith, left my pretty decent job at Deloitte to start High Counselor. And it's been 3.5 years since we started High Counselor, and it's been an amazing journey. Uh, the journey that started just with myself and my co-founder. We are a team of 40 plus people right now. We have raised multiple round of investments. We raised $2.1 million in a pre-seed round. And the biggest achievement that I would say is that our journey started by helping three candidates, and until now we have helped more than 600 candidates find a full-time job in the US in software engineering and data science field. So which is which gives like the biggest satisfaction. Now, why we started High Counselor? Because we noticed that the entry level candidates and people who are transitioning in their career, they struggle to find the job because of three major reasons. First is because they lack hands on work experience. I think all of us are here for that reason. Second, people lack interview opportunities. They do not know how to network and get the interview calls. And third one, even when they get interview calls, they're not prepared to crack those interviews. So the solution was pretty easy, and we did not want to create a staffing company or a consultancy. That was never our objective. Rather than we wanted to create a 360-degree ecosystem in which we help candidate with preparation as well, by upskilling them, by giving them real work experience, by fixing their LinkedIn resume, and then we help them get interview calls as well, by matching right jobs to them, by helping them apply to way more job applications, and by helping them with networking at 10x speed so that they can get more referrals. Roles that we help right now is software engineering, data science, anything in software development, anything related to data science, sales related roles, Salesforce, as well as product management. If you belong to any of these fields and you are physically located in the US, then we can also help. Then we can help you find a full-time job. The pricing is it's success based payment. That means you do not have to pay anything upfront. There is no hidden fees. It is absolutely $0. You pay in monthly installments only after landing a job. It makes easy for you to join. It makes easy for you to pay back us. There are two plans that we have. One is the $10,000. Another one is $15,000, which is advanced plan. Difference is basically in advanced plan, we provide you more one-on-one support. We provide you a team that apply to the job positions so that you don't have to worry about that. tools that automatically network for you. We help you also provide remote internships if needed, and if you get laid off, we provide you support as well. If you want to learn more about both of these options, what are the differences, how we can help you out, the best way is to go to our website highcounselor.com, and there you can attend an info session or you can apply for our upcoming cohort. Let me show that really quick to you. So simply go to our website. Here you'll find a button called apply to upcoming cohort. Simply click on this and click on start application. Fill out this application. Based on your application, we'll invite you for a one-on-one interview call. We interview every single candidate before accepting at High Counselor because we want to make sure that we are a right fit for you and we can really, really help you out. Okay. If we accept you, there is no upfront cost and we will help you until you land a job. If you want to learn more about all the payment options, right, what this program is, you can sign up for the info session by clicking on this link. Sign up for our info session, and we do info session 2 days in a week, Tuesday and Thursday. You can choose any date at 7 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, so that's all about High Counselor. Let's jump on to our project now. So, coming back to our project, at the end of this project, our objective is not just to provide you certification. By the way, everyone who will complete this project will get a certificate of completion. You'll be able to add this to your resume, to your LinkedIn profile, and you'll be able to talk about it in your interviews. And if they reach out to us, we'll be always able to certify and validate that yes, you have completed this project at High Counselor. But more than that, our objective is that you really learn something in this next 1 week. You learn real implementation of data science skills so that you become confident in finding your dream job. Okay. I will now turn it over to Sai for project introduction and platform overview. Sai, if you'd like to go next.
Yep. Thank you. You have seen what High Counselor does and then how they can help you in landing your job. So we'll focus on the project now, like how it can help you during your interviews and then how you can talk about it and then in terms of technicality and everything. So in this project, we'll be using Netflix data. Like I think you all know what Netflix is. I am sure most of you have Netflix subscription, and then using their IMDb scores, and we'll find what's the audience favorites and what they don't like and what they don't like, and then different types of genres, and then we'll be exploring the data using the it's not the whole Netflix data but then a chunk of it. So can you go to next slide, Aditya?
Yep.
So here we'll be having two modules. One would be using Python, the other would be using SQL. There are multiple tasks, and then I'll be sharing my screen shortly and then showing how you can log in, where you can find the project, like what kind of tasks you can expect and everything. And then the best part is the top three will be featured in Times Square, New York. I have been featured once. The feeling is surreal, so don't miss out on the chance. So these were the previous winners who have been featured on Times Square. So you see a lot of people, like we conduct projects every week, so you have a chance every week to be featured there.
And let me show you one how it looks like when Syed got featured. And you guys may not be able to hear the audio. Okay, and you can talk about it in your interviews, mention it your resume as your achievement as well. Okay.
And I guess the good part over here is that you are being featured for your technical skills, right? So that becomes the highlight, because if you go to an interview and you will say that okay, you were featured because of your technical skills, so that in most of the people will be keen to know more about it.
Exactly. Like if you want to get featured, you can pay money and get featured, but then getting featured for technical skills is something different, and then that lets you stand out from the crowd.
Yep. Sai, would you like to share your
Yeah.
screen for a platform demo?
Yeah. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Perfect. So the first thing you can do is go to highcounselor.com, and then once you land there, it will ask you to log in. If you have signed up before, use those credentials. But if you haven't, let me sign out and show you how it looks for the first time login users. So when you tap on login, you can use candidate login. And then if you have already signed up, you can use that, or else you can create an account using this option at the end. So since I've signed up before, I log in. So once you sign in, it will take you to the platform. So here you can see the projects, the resume, jobs, and other resources. And then for this project, you'll be going to projects platform, projects tab. And then here's where you can see the all the projects that are mm, available right now. So this project, if you see Netflix, yeah, if you see here, Netflix original analysis, exploring cinematic trends with Python and SQL. So if you tap on go to sandbox, it will take you to the other screen. So since I've started the project, it's here, or else you can tap from new template, and then the project will show up here, Netflix originals. So tap on open sandbox. It will take a minute or two to load the environment for you, and then set up all the things in the backend. And then after 1 or 2 minutes, it will take you to this screen. So here you can see the project and everything. So it's a, you don't have to have a Jupyter notebook on your laptop. You can, it's all inbuilt here. So you can use the Jupyter notebook in the platform itself. So here, if you see, as I mentioned, there are two modules. One module is for Python, second module is for SQL. In Python, you have around 11 tasks, and in SQL, you have around 12 tasks. So in total, there are around 23 tasks. So let's go to Python first and then see what's there in it. And then here you can see the description of the project, like what kind of data do you deal with and everything. So here you see, first you'll import the data, and then as every data project, that be data analytics or data science, you'll clean the data, check the data types, deal with missing values, outliers, duplicates, and everything. And then conducting, like changing, converting the data types to like correct forms, like numbers to text if required, or date to date time, because you deal with times, time columns a lot of times. And then you will do some basic analysis using Python. And then when you come to SQL session, you can tap on to one here, and then you can connect it to the database, and then conduct your write your SQL queries. So in coming to the submission part, you type your code here and then tap on run test, and then it will show you the result in the space here. If it's correct, it will show a success. If it's wrong, it will show where you went wrong, and then you can work on by reading the error, and then you will know what went wrong and then what needs to be done in order to get the correct solution. And then here are the your database credentials for SQL. So you can use there's everything, like there's video also if you have some doubts on how to connect to your MySQL database. So you watch the video, it will be like a 2 to 3 minute video, and then you have your database details, username, and then password. These are uh, just for my account. Your account will have different username and different password. So make sure that you're using the ones displayed on your account. And then here it's the leaderboard, so it's all live. So if you have completed one module, let's say I have completed this module, and then my feed will be updated here saying Sai has completed task 1 1, and then I'll be appearing in the leaderboard. And then as people and students complete different modules in time, and then with in real time, the leaderboard will be updated to let us know. And then there are three factors that are considered for you to be in the top three. One is the number of time attempts you took to complete each question, and then the other one is number of tasks completed. You need to complete all the tasks in order to be in the top. And then the most underrated one, and then people should consider, is inviting people. Like, oh, the more people you invite, along with the attempts made and then the number of questions you have completed, you will be moving into the top in the leaderboard, because the objective of the platform is to help people who are facing difficulties in finding the projects. And then here's where you can invite your friends. So you can copy your link or just enter their email ID here, and then you can invite your friends directly. And then if you find any bug, or like if you have any feedback, you can report, you can talk with the live chat, and then you can submit it, they look into it and then get back to you. And then here's your help center. And then if you want to make a post on LinkedIn, you can tap on the LinkedIn post. They have ready to go templates, so you can go there and then talk about your projects. Because your even though we have a lot of knowledge, if we can't showcase it online or like market ourselves, it's difficult for people to know that you are knowledgeable. Let's say you are very talented, but then no one knows that you know. So it might not matter. Only when you go online and then share your knowledge, share your projects, share your certifications, share with the world, people will get to know that okay, he knows this, she knows this, she's good at this, she's bad at this. So that's how the things are going on these days. So feel use like try to build your online portfolio and then visibility, so that templates, ready to go templates here, like at the beginning of the project, and then the multiple templates, and then once you completed the project, you can post again, and then you can host it. They have also developed you will have your personal portfolio in the platform itself. If you have completed multiple projects, your portfolio is automatically built inside the platform. And then the best part is it's not only about this project. There are more than 100 projects in the platform. If you see the number of projects are right now, it's 151 projects in the field of data science, data analytics, and computer science, and every product based on the difficulty levels. If you want to select a particular skill, let's say I tap on Python, the projects will be filtered based on Python projects. Like if you want just the Java projects, it will be filtered based on Java. And then if you see Java, so you can work on those projects and add it to your profile. And then only this project is free. So if you want to work on other projects, they have three plans. The first one is free trial that you will be working on right now. You won't be charged anything for this project. You will have access to two real world projects for your account. And then after a week or two, it won't be free. And then the other plan is monthly plan, which is $50 per month. You get access to all 151 projects to work on, and then they have solutions and then guidance, and then you'll get customer support. And then as I mentioned, you also get projects portfolio page, and then you have video courses for data analysis, computer science, and then data scientist. And then same goes with interview solution questions and video solutions. And then the most popular one, like this is 50 per month, which comes around to 300 per 6 months. But then if you take the 6 months plan, it would cost you only $149 for 6 months. So you get all the real world projects, portfolio page like GitHub. You can develop your portfolio in this and then include it on your resume, and then LinkedIn, and then video courses for data science professionals, and then interview questions, and then their video solutions.
And Sai, we have also generated a code called Sai20, which will give 20% discount to everyone for the next 72 hours.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, you can see my code here. If you take apply Sai20 at the checkout, you'll get 20% off on your premium. Let's say if you're taking this one, you would get it to $40 per month. If you take this one, you would get 120 for 6 months. So that's like 20 per month. Yep.
Okay.
It's a 50% on that.
Hmm. And guys, as Sai mentioned about utilizing LinkedIn post, right? Showcasing your expertise. A lot of candidates want to do it, but they are not sure how to get started. I would highly, highly recommend you to go to Sai's LinkedIn profile, see how he articulate his knowledge, right? Share it on LinkedIn, and probably you can follow a few people in your domain, right? See how they are writing, probably rephrase it or take some ideas and start writing there, and you'll realize that in a month or 2 months you'll be at a position where you will start writing your own stuff, right? And that's a good way to get started, and it's super important. I mean, I'm not I mean, you have built your LinkedIn presence really, really well in just 4 to 5 months, right? You can probably talk more about if that has provided you any significant benefit, or you have seen job seekers getting a lot of benefit out of it. Building that, and I want to start a series on building a personal brand for job seekers on LinkedIn, right? And
Yeah,
how important is that?
exactly. So personal branding will help you a lot. Like in this past 6 to 7 months that I've started posting on LinkedIn, have met a lot of amazing people like Aditya, like founders of other companies who reach out to me and then like ask for if they can promote, or like if they have any roles, they'll ask me to interview for the position. So it helps you in if it increases your visibility, and then the chances of get opening your doors for interviews will increase a lot. It will not get you a job, but then it'll open your doors for sure. Like you don't have to, like recently I had an interview. I mean, I didn't have to apply for the role, but then I got the interview because he found my profile, and then I got the interview call directly. So the chances of getting the interview calls will increase, but then getting the job will ultimately depend on the knowledge you have and then your competition too. So make sure to post. You don't have to post like 3 times a day, but then 4 times a week should do. And then trust me, LinkedIn is addictive. All the social media platforms, like all of us know how addictive these are. But then once you start posting regularly, you feel that you have to post more. Once people start engaging with your post, and then you will need to engage with other people's post in order for you to get engagements, and then you will meet a lot of amazing people in your community, like say data science or computer science. They're amazing creators in both the fields, or any field you take, be it mechanical or electrical. They're creators in every community. So follow them and then go through their profile and then see how they started, where they are right now, and then what you can do to start. And then maybe schedule a call with them. More like there are a lot of people who are happy to help you. Like you don't have to pay money. Like just ask for their time, like 10 to 15 minutes of their time. Once you build the relationship, like engage with their posts before asking for their time, because like then they know that he's a uh, well wisher of them. Schedule calls with multiple people, learn about their journeys, their difficulties, and then what helped them, what didn't help them, so that maybe you it can help you in not taking wrong decisions or in taking better decisions. So I would recommend increasing your social like online visibility for you to get more interviews, not jobs.
Mhm. Absolutely. Let's take questions from the chat box. There's someone who's asking about how they can find project. Let me share my screen again and give a quick walkthrough. So, guys, you need to simply go to our website, which is highcounselor.com. When you go there, there's a tab at the top called Projects. You go to Projects, and then you'll find this third project, which is Netflix Original Analysis. If you cannot see this particular project, simply use the search box where you can search a project name. You can search Netflix over here. Uh-huh. Netflix, and you'll see Netflix Origin Analysis. Simply click on this and click on Go to Sandbox button. When you click on Go to Sandbox, you will be asked to log in once. So you can log in once, and then you'll be taken to the sandbox directly. Okay. If you do not have your account, you can create a free account by clicking on Create an Account. As simple as that. Okay. Let's take more questions. Is it already live? Yes, Vishaka, it is already live.
If you have any questions, guys, start posting in the comment section. We'll be happy to take up all your queries.
And if you understood the entire process, please push that thumbs up button on LinkedIn, on YouTube, so that we get to know that okay, you have understood the entire process. If not, we are happy to explain it again. So please push either the thumbs up button, or if you have question, put it in the chat box.
Okay. And just to add on to what Sai was talking about personal branding, I have met recently some of the candidates and I've seen that their LinkedIn profile is completely dead profile. They have made it more like a academic book, which we used to make like in our school days, certificates, right? Not posting any thought, not following the right number of people also. I would not say that rightly said by saying that it is not going to bring you like you will land job through LinkedIn by posting on LinkedIn, but it will definitely showcase your work to people. And that is the key right now because even if I will be hiring, I will be interested to know what kind of work you have done. That's why the portfolio becomes very important. So LinkedIn is just an addition to the portfolio. Okay, what's a good LinkedIn profile to look like? There could be many good profile. I guess Aditya profile is also one of the good ones. Actually, with
Yes.
lot of following. I keep on asking him for the tips. You can follow
Yeah.
him as well.
So, guys, regarding a good LinkedIn profile, I mean, let me share my screen and we can go through it really, really quick. Although we can spend like hours on that, but if I go to say a LinkedIn profile and let me go to say my LinkedIn profile. So, few important thing, guys. When somebody land on your LinkedIn profile, this banner plays a big important role. So it should be very clear what you want someone from your profile, that what they should learn about you, right? If you're looking for a data scientist job, don't say I'm looking for a data scientist job, right? But write that you're passionate about data science and what skills you have. And then this headline plays a very important role. Your professional headshot in headline, be very clear what skills you have, what value you have provided in the past. Okay, coming down, about section, super important. Don't write it like as if you are just saying that I have xyz skills or hire me for this role. Tell about your journey, all right? How you started, why you're passionate about this role. In featured section, very important that if you post regularly, post add some of your best post, right, which can showcase your expertise. For example, I wrote something about immigration which got a lot of attention, created a resume which got about 140,000 likes, right? So I added some of those ones. Come to experience, make sure to add right number of bullet points, right? I worked at Deloitte, so I wrote like four good bullet points explaining what I did, how I did, and what was the outcome, right? I worked at PwC, so I added my certifications that I had there as well as all of my experience. And then in your education, don't just write that you've done masters from this particular university. Include what subjects you have studied, right, and what was your focus. And then definitely your license, certifications, and projects. So that's a high level overview. And as Sai mentioned, most important, post on your LinkedIn. Tell people what you're doing, what you're currently doing, what you're passionate about. Then you'll have the right traction on your profile.
We have
Okay.
few questions. Can you tell again to refer a friend from the project? Okay.
Okay.
I
Sai, do
can share
you
my
have the
screen.
platform? Yeah, you can share the screen. I don't have the project platform logged in.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Perfect. If you come here, this is where you will see invite your friends at the top right corner. So invite your friends. You can enter their email ID and then invite them, or else you can just copy this link and then paste it in a group or your Telegram groups or like the Discord groups that you are in. So you can invite multiple people using that link directly.
Okay. Okay. Guys, I can see a lot of you have filled Google form and are willing to connect us to your professors. So thank you so much for that. We have already got a lot of responses. Let me, those who have joined late, let me add the link over here again. Fill Google form. Okay, those who have just joined or those who may have forgotten, but we are planning to introduce connect. We're planning to connect with professors working at different universities, teaching software engineering, data science, data mining, or related subjects, business analytics, and we are planning to learn about their challenges and see if we can integrate our platform. We are already in conversation with the university to integrate our platform in the curriculum. It will help their students immensely, right? They will be able to access real world projects through their curriculum. So if you can introduce us to your professor, that would be great. In return, we'll be more than happy to connect with you on a call, understand your job search challenges, connect you with a resume review, LinkedIn review expert who will help you fix your resume and LinkedIn profile, and will also provide you guidance related to networking and getting referrals, right? So please take a moment to fill out this Google form.
We are supposed to submit project only within 1 week, or can we extend? Yep. You need to complete it within 1 week and then submit it.
So if you're doing within the week, you are part of the competition. So
Yep.
you will be featured on the leaderboard. Otherwise, if you will do it after 1 week, then most probably you can do it, but then it will not be part of the competition, and you can only do it for your own practice. Uh, yeah, this is a question. Kiran says, how important is to have a portfolio website for someone who is looking for a data analytics job? Sai, did you also made some anytime a website for yourself?
Yeah, I made my GitHub portfolio when I was job searching. Right now I'm working on my personal website, but then trust me, like the website will have the portfolio website, be it your personal or like GitHub or like High Council or any website that you're hosting. It's very important when you mention a project on your resume, or during your interviews, they might ask you question like any question that you have to maybe share your screen and then tell them, like show them the graphs or the insights that you have found, or like instead they might ask you directly, do you have a portfolio website for yourself. It shows the credibility that you have done the project, that and you haven't taken it from any online source. So and it's also good practice for you. And then if you have the project ready, you can always share your screen even if they haven't asked you, and then explain it in a better way. Say like let them know that you have done it before and then you can do it again.
Hmm. Yep. And just to give show you an example, guys, regarding portfolio, we clearly understand the need of it, and that's where when you go to our projects platform, right on the left hand side at top, you'll see an option called View Your Portfolio. All the projects that you will do will be added to your portfolio over here. Let me log in and show you how that portfolio looks like. Da-da-da. And you can add this portfolio link on your resume, your LinkedIn profile, and wherever you want. Okay, so you can click on View Your Portfolio. And for examples, look, this is my portfolio. Here I can show all the skills that I've earned. These are not the skills that I can manually add. I can only get these skills from the projects that I've completed, right? You can share directly this. You can click on this to copy your portfolio URL, add it to your resume, LinkedIn profile. If you have to add it to your LinkedIn profile, here is the process. Go to your LinkedIn profile, like this. For example, this is my LinkedIn profile. You can simply click on this edit button, and then you can scroll down. If you have taken LinkedIn Premium, then you will get an option called Edit Custom button, and share this option called View My Portfolio. Add a link over here. If you do not have a premium profile, right, a paid LinkedIn profile, then also you will get an option over here to add a hyperlink of any portfolio website. So that's where you can directly copy and paste the your LinkedIn profile link, not LinkedIn profile, but the High Counselor portfolio page link. Okay. And this is where all of your employers can go see details of all the projects that you have done. They'll be able to see your certificate, see your code, and as Sai said, it adds a lot of credibility. Okay, so make sure to utilize this option, and this option is available for everyone, whether you have a premium profile at High Counselor or if you don't have. It's available for everyone. Okay.
Will we get guidance for this project? Asking this because the trial period. Yes, you will get the guidance if you have joined the Discord community. Feel free to post your questions there. We'll be more than happy to guide you at every point, any point of time.
Mhm. Okay.
How do I check my output? At the bottom right corner, you have a option called Run Test. So and then it will show you if it's a success or failure. If it's a failure, it will also show you what went wrong and then what needs to be correct. I mean, if you know what went wrong, you will understand what needs to be corrected. So that's how you can check your output.
Okay, I think we have taken almost all the questions. Guys, if you have any more questions, feel free to ask. If not, anything else related to your job search that we can help you out, please let us know.
And this video will be available on our YouTube channel, so you can go to the live section and watch this video again, if, in case you missed something. And you can watch it on our LinkedIn channel also. So do follow us on our High Counselor page, and we'll be coming up with more projects. I guess a lot of projects are lined up.
Yep. And
Stay
by the way,
tuned.
Sai is also working on one project, Sai, which we are
Yes.
trying to create it at very tough to intermediate to tough level, right? For data
Yeah.
analysis domain. Uh, and we'll be having that project probably in a month or so, right?
Yeah.
So we'll be happy to take that project live as well.
Okay, we are good, I guess.
Okay, if there are no more questions, guys, we can wrap up. But just as a quick review, the project is available. The deadline is 1 week. For any questions, feel free to join the Discord community. The link is coming over here, or you can scan this QR code and you can ask any question related to the project in the Discord community. We'll be there to answer your questions. And we have, if you want to sign up for the premium subscription of our platform so that you can do more than two projects, have your portfolio page, share it with your recruiters and hiring managers. Feel free to utilize code SINE20. It will be active for the next 72 hours and you'll get a 20% discount on the premium subscription. Okay. Cool. Well, thank you so much, everyone, for your time. Thank you, Sai, for taking out time on Saturday again for us. Really appreciate
No
it.
problem.
And we look forward to working with you again.
Yep, sure. Thank you for the opportunity. All the best, everyone.
Thank
I'm
you,
looking
Sai.
forward
Thank
for those
you. Thank
three
you for your time.
candidates.
Absolutely. Have a wonderful weekend, guys. And those who have filled out the Google form, we will reach out to you on email and we'll schedule a quick call to help you out and let's connect with your universities and your professors. Have a wonderful weekend, guys. Thank you so much.
Happy
Thank you.
weekend,
Thank you so much,
everyone.
guys. Thank
Bye.
you. Bye bye.